guys, Alex here, and it's been a busy week. There's sort of a conference, a Microsoft conference in town, so a lot of people visiting Orlando, a lot of riders. And tomorrow I'm going to take a guest from the Netherlands to ride. Interesting how many people from the Netherlands are visiting Orlando this time of year, and very good riders too. I know they love bicycles. I've been to Holland twice, and there's a lot of bicycles over there. And if you are from the Netherlands, let me know. But tomorrow I'm taking this guest, picking him up at the hotel, and then we're riding to Mount Dora. Really nice ride, beautiful ride up there going north of Central Florida. I even have the route here for you guys to see. We're riding from Claremont, and we're gonna do a loop and around Lake Apopka. So it's a really cool place to ride. So we're gonna ride around 60, a little over 65 miles. And then after that, we're stopping at a bike shop and I'm taking him to the airport. I created actually a package where I take people to ride, and it's a ride before you fly. I found out that many people are in a hotel and they have to check out 10 a.m., 11 a.m., but their flight is only in the evening, and many cyclists want to ride. But the problem is after you check out, after the ride, where are you going to take a shower and go to the plane without taking a shower after a bike ride? Not a good idea. So I partnered with a bike shop where they have a cool recovery lounge and they have like a shower place. So I take the guest to ride. Then after the ride, he can take a shower, he can do a session of recovery, and then from there I take him and drop him off at the airport, and it's all good. So yeah, it's about finding the needs of people and doing it well. That's how you grow a business. So since it's been very hot lately and I usually go for long rides, we have to have the nutrition on the bike. So I just made an order of some energy bars, gels, and I like to buy them on a website. The website is called The Feed. I'm gonna leave a link on the description, and they have everything you need for sports nutrition. And I like to order online because I can find everything I need in one place, and it takes 2-3 days, and they have a good price. So I like to take these honey stingers. I bought a few extra because my kids like it too for a school snack. I love the Cliff energy bars, and I like their different flavors. Carrot cake. This one is peanut butter banana, and they have a bunch of flavors. So, and I love these bars. They are delicious. And I prefer to, on the bike, to eat something, like to eat an energy bar than simply just drinking an energy drink. It just keeps me filled, and if I need, I'll take like these gels if it's the end of the ride, or I don't have that much time to chew, or it's been very long that I'm on the bike and maybe I will not digest well. Energy bar, I'll get a gel maybe in. So I got also these other gels, goo gels, with caffeine, without caffeine, depending on if you want that extra boost. Now, one thing that I find really important, especially here in Florida where it's summer all the time, is to have these hydration tabs with electrolytes. They're not for energy, they don't have much calories, like each tab has like 10 calories, but they have a lot of minerals. And the important thing is when you're riding, you sweat a lot, and many times we don't notice it because of the wind. We're drying that sweat off, so you don't feel thirsty, or you don't feel that sweat. Different from running, because when you're running, you're completely soaked because you don't have all that wind drying you off. So we have to be very careful on the bike because we might not drink enough, and we lose a lot of water and minerals. And if you're just drinking water, you're not replacing the minerals that actually keep you hydrated, because it's not just water that will keep you hydrated. You need the minerals. So these tabs are very good as a supplement. So you just put a tab in the water. Specialists suggest 7 to 10 ounces of water every 10 to 20 minutes, and it helps replace sodium, potassium, magnesium, that are all essential minerals that you need. Nutrition, check. I'm gonna check out the bikes and prepare everything for tomorrow's ride. Mount Dora is a beautiful town, and we're heading for a stop to get some water, maybe eat something. We've done almost 30 miles now, about 45 more to go. Right. We've got Eric from the Netherlands.
Ooh.
Eric, what would you say is the best place to ride in the Netherlands?
The best place? Well, that would be the Holte Berg, I guess.
Why is that?
Well, it has amazing forests, really clear and good cycling paths, and yeah, it's a nice area to ride. And it's the only, well, mountain.
All right, so next time you go to the Netherlands, you look up for Eric and find a nice ride.
Just take me up on Strava.
Quick stop to refill. We've done 51 miles, 15 to go, total 66 miles. How much is that in kilometers? Think fast.
I think it's around 88.
88?
88. We currently had like 88 and we're going around 110, 120.
Is it hot?
It is really hot. All wet.
This Dutch guy, he's strong, but I think he has some problems with the sun. Check it out.
Really?
Man, it's hot. It's hot in Florida. Let's check out this awesome bike shop. All good?
Yep.
Let's go to the airport.
Alright.
Catch a plane. food. Now heading back home. I need to eat something. I had a lot of fun, and I love all this. It's, you know, cycling is all about this, making friends, meeting people, and the amazing thing is that I can meet other cyclists from all over the world, and that's just, I just think that is a privilege that I'm living at this moment of my life. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week.